Okay, so to start off, we have our three classes, the main, the HPP, and the CPP. And so what we have in the CPP is we have a couple of the methods, such as get account balance, the account name, the ID, also deposit and withdrawal. So this mainly has the account methods inside of it, and then also the constructor of the account and what it is right here with the name and then the balance and then the ID and so on. And so we can put those accounts inside of the list, which we'll get to in just a bit. But in the HPP, we have the class for what the account is, and in private we have the variables right here of the IDs, the name, the balance, and then right here we have public, the functions, the methods which we talked about in this file, all right here, and then we have the constructor built out right there. And so with that, we include all of that into the main function over here, and this just has a lot of methods inside of it. Like it has the display account information method, and then has a for loop right here, and then we keep going down. This for loop is hooked with this list right here of accounts, and then we also have this function right here as a add new account, where we can add the name, the initial balance, and then that is stored inside of this list right here. This right here is basically showing each account that is inside of this list when we display it. That's why it's in display account information. But if there is no accounts, then it's just going to say that it's empty. And let's run through it. Let's build it real quick to show it. Give an example. So let's show this. So let's say if we were to try and display the information, it's going to say no accounts found because we haven't added anything yet. But if we do add one, we're going to do for. We're going to write our name, the initial balance, let's say 400, new account added successfully. And now we can display that information and it'll show up right there. And it's going to have an ID of 0. And so the next account that we add, let's do that now. Let's say Steve for 500. He's going to have an account ID of 1. So I have 0, he has 1. And if we want to withdraw from an account, let's do that. We pick which ID we want to do, so let's just do mine as 0. And it's going to even show the ID, the balance, and then we're going to say how much we want to withdraw, so let's say 20. And then that should work. It should be 380 now under my name, and it is. Perfect.